The Beginner's Guide to Bodybuilding. This comprehensive guide provides beginners with essential knowledge and practical steps to start their bodybuilding journey effectively. Understanding bodybuilding. Bodybuilding focuses on muscle development through weight training, increased calorie intake, and rest, aiming not just for size but also for an enhanced aesthetic appearance. This pursuit demands a disciplined approach, distinguishing it from general fitness by its focus on hypertrophy, muscle growth. Setting your goals. Setting clear, realistic goals is crucial as you begin your bodybuilding journey. Your goals will dictate your training routines, dietary approach, and overall strategy. An effective goal for a beginner might be to drop 6 to 8 lbs of body fat in a month while retaining muscle mass, providing a clear target that impacts both diet and training intensity. Fundamental training approach: legs, pull, push, split. The legs, pull, push routine followed by a rest day is an effective training split. It ensures that each major muscle group is thoroughly worked out and has ample time to recover. Legs day focuses on the lower body, targeting quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, and glutes. Pull day targets the back and biceps through pulling movements. Push day engages the chest, shoulders, and triceps through pushing exercises. This routine allows for balanced workouts throughout the week and optimal muscle recovery. Training intensity and recovery. Train with 2-3 sets per exercise, aiming for 5-8 repetitions per set, and always train until failure within this range. Include a rest day after completing the legs, pull, and push cycles to promote recovery and muscle growth. Nutrition for muscle growth. Adequate nutrition is essential, and tracking your intake of protein, carbohydrates, and fats is crucial. Protein. Aim for at least 1 gram per pound of body weight per day. Carbohydrates. Primary energy source for training and recovery. Fats, vital for hormonal balance, especially important during cutting phases. Bulking and cutting strategies. Bulking. To gain muscle, a caloric surplus is necessary. I recommend a surplus of 300-500 calories per day. This modest increase in calories supports muscle growth without excessive fat gain. Monitor your progress and adjust your intake based on your gains and body composition changes. Cutting. When reducing body fat, start with an aggressive mini-cut for about 6 weeks, creating a deficit of around 1,000 calories per day. This sharp reduction is effective for quick fat loss. After the mini-cut, adjust to a more sustainable deficit of about 500 calories until you reach your goal. This phased approach helps manage the potential for muscle loss and metabolic adaptations. Common mistakes to avoid. Overtraining. Avoid excessive training, which can lead to injuries. Neglecting nutrition. Early in my training, I failed to track calories and macros, which slowed my muscle gain significantly. Improper form. Prioritize technique over lifting heavier weights. Ignoring fat intake. Particularly important when cutting, as fats help regulate hormonal fluctuations. Staying motivated. Maintain motivation by setting regular goals, celebrating progress, and adjusting targets as needed. Engaging with a supportive community or a training partner can also provide encouragement and accountability. Following these guidelines and maintaining a disciplined approach to workouts and nutrition will lay a strong foundation for a successful bodybuilding journey.